Welcome to the Permaculture Lecture Series. On this course, we're going to bring you through all the theory and the practical information that you're going to need to create and design master plans, which is a permaculture design science. We're going to go through the book chapter by chapter. We're going to bring the book to life. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know in order to take what can be described as theory to create a design which will give strategies and implementation. So theory to strategies to implementation through a process, a guided process. I'm going to make and facilitate the understanding of permaculture for you step by step. It's going to be an easy, guided process so that you'll be able to have the skill sets to make master plans for your own farm and design. You'll learn all of the key steps needed to create permaculture as a design science. At Rock Tamachat, we bring design back to permaculture. Also, with the addition of our practical series, you get the entire course. We hope that this course will allow you to see everything that happens on a real permaculture course at Rock Tamachat. We're going to show you exactly what our students learn in first person. You'll feel like you're part of the course. You're going to learn all of the techniques and steps that we use for our students to understand how to build permaculture master plans. This is permaculture in practice. This is what it's really about. So we hope this course is going to give you the tools that you need and the skill sets that are offered here at Rock Tamachat at the convenience of your own home. This is going to give you the empowerment that you can go out in your backyard or into a larger farmscape and change the world. You're going to have the skill set, the tools, and you're going to learn how fun permaculture can be with friends, family, and this will give you the skills to change the future. So take the challenge and take the course.